Hi friends, today in this video we will learn how to change the font color and the background color of the cell. Let us start. For changing the font color, first we have to select the cell where the text is written. Then go to the Home tab, and under the Home tab a font group is there. In this A symbol is there, that is for the font color. When I will click on the arrow, a drop down will open. From here, you can select the desired color. Like I'm selecting the blue color. So the blue color is reflected on the font. So if you want to change the cell color or the background of the text, for that, first select the cell whose color you want to change, then go to the Home tab. Under the Home tab font group, there is this fill color bucket. Click on the down arrow, a color list will be open. From here, we can select any color like light green I am selecting. So the light green is the background of the cell. So to undo the changes, to remove this color, simply select the cell, again go to this bucket and select here white color, so the background will be removed. To change the font color back to black color, select the cell, then click on this A and click on the black color. The black color will be selected. That's all for today. Hope you have liked this video. If liked, please share with your friends. Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.